factory today.
Oh my gosh, I feel rain.
Oh my god, it's raining.
The one day I didn't bring an umbrella, the one day.
I hope when we get to the field, the tea field, it's not raining.
Yeah, better not.
So, this is a really nice view. Wait, okay, where we gotta go because I'll take pictures. Oh, wait, I'll show you.
Look at these agapanthus. Look, wait. The agapanthus flowers. I used this in my project.
Okay. Look at the deer.
The deer likes the truth untold. I swear, I sang it and look how close it's come.
See?
Hello.
Hi.
We are now at a dormant volcano,
Yes.
which I can't show you because we've just left it and we're on our way down. But you wouldn't be able to see it anyway because it's really low down.
It's like in a ditch.
Yes, that's the word I'm looking for. It's not a crater.
It's kind of a crater.
Like a really low down crater. Okay, so we've got pictures which we can upload on our Twitter feed if we had one, which we don't because we are not BTS. Anyway,
Yes.
we're walking just down a massive road.
Quite a nice road.
We can show you a 360 view.
I'll show you. I'll show you. So show me. I'll show you. Show you. Show you. I showed you.
And
She
now,
showed you.
after that magic shop rendition, what else have we done today? We've been to a tea factory.
Oh, so good.
It was the best thing
Oh.
ever.
the appreciation for tea.
Oh,
Ooh.
yes.
When you see how much goes into making a tea bag, oh my, you would never throw away a tea bag again.
I don't think people randomly throw away tea bags.
No, but what if they pour in the water by accident and they're like, oh, I don't want this tea. Toss it in the bin. Never do that.
I think those occasions are rare. But anyway, we love tea. The tea factory was amazing. And the second thing, we had the best lunch ever. Oh my god. It was a kebab baguette and it was the best thing I've had.
Had what? Let's see what it was. It was chicken teriyaki kind of flavor with a small hint of chili sauce, but it doesn't burn you.
And it had like a pineapple sauce, but it sounds ridiculous, but it was so nice. That was so good. So it's actually been an awesome day.
It has been good.
And now we are on our way. I'm not actually sure where we're going now.
Are we going home because there's a football match?
Yeah, there's a football match that the guys want to watch, so we'll just go home and do. I'm not sure what we're
Cook
gonna do.
again. As in, by cook, I mean die from heat, because when we're in our house, that's the only place that we're dying.
Yeah, actually, outside is much better than being at home.
Exactly. So it's a blessing.
Yeah. Okay, we're almost back at the car.
There's
There's so many
disgusting little
flies.
flies. Ah.
I think I might have swallowed a bunch. Okay, I won't talk anymore. Okay, bye.